Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen-Aid, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. Today we've got something fascinating from the United States. I'm just going to crack this open so you can see what's inside. Oh, wow. So as many of you might know already, there is a big push towards making instant noodles more healthy. There's kind of like a pro-health kind of nature going throughout a lot of different segments of the food world, and ramen is no exception. And so I was contacted by a company called Ramen-Aid, and they make supplements for ramen. And so let's have a look. This one's an electrolyte soup supplement with immune support, which I find absolutely fascinating. And this one's an electrolyte soup supplement with energy. Yes, this one has caffeine in it. So that's a trip. There's 12 in each one. Let's see what they look like. And here is one of them. It's just a sachet with the stuff in it. Here is a bunch of pertinent info about what's in here. As far as I know, you just make some noodles and stir this in, and then you get the benefits of what's in the sachets. The website, I don't know it by heart, so I'm pretty sure it's Ramen-Aid.com. It might be Ramen-Aid, but here it is, right here. I'm going to be trying this very soon. This is fascinating to me, and it's definitely one of the more unique things I've seen. But yeah, caffeinated ramen and immune support ramen. Wow. Well, thanks to the folks over at Ramen-Aid for sending this over. I'm going to give this a try. I've got an open mind to it. I'm really curious. Wow, what a trip, huh? Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.